Ndi Wani, we did it! We've hit 500 subscribers, and it's all because of you. I just want to take a moment to say Dalo. Thank you. Our Igbo family is growing, and we've hit 500 amazing subscribers. I'm so excited, When we started this journey, it was all about celebrating Igbo, our beautiful language, culture, and heritage. And look at us now, 500 of us learning, growing, and keeping our culture alive together. To everyone who has watched, liked, shared, and subscribed, I see you all, trust me, and I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. Dalo rinne, dalo nkuku. And guess what? This is just the beginning. Kanyina Ganihu. More exciting contents are on the way. Let's stay tuned. So if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now and join the family. Dalono. Chineke gozie unu. God bless you all.